Big Mike, right? Well, I'm Sean.
What is he wearing? It's freezing. What's his name again?
Big Mike.
Hey, Big Mike. Where you headed?
Gym.
You said you were going to the gym. School gym's closed. Why were you going to the gym?
Because it's warm.
Do you have any place to stay tonight? Don't you dare lie to me.
He wasn't looking for help, just a place to feel safe. But sometimes the right person stops at the right moment.
It's mine.
What?
Never had one before.
What, a room to yourself?
A bed.
We want to know if you would like to become part of this family.
Kind of thought I already was.
In a world full of people who walk past, it only takes one to change a life.